This will be a short video on changing the gears in a Singer 750 sewing machine. It goes across about 50 different models. Slight modifications for another model, but basically the gear changing process is all the same. First we're going to take the covers off so you have a fundamental idea on how to do that. This is the top cover, one screw. Move that down, take it off. Second cover is the face cover. We're going to take it off. We need to get in here to loosen the timing belt pulley so there's no strain on the horizontal gear shaft. And this is how you do this. It's called the cover plate. That exposes the gear, or the face plate. This is the timing belt. This is the timing belt tension pulley. We loosened it already to take the tension off the horizontal shaft that's underneath. This we can set aside. Second, we're going to remove the bottom cover to get access to the gears. Very simple. First thing we're going to change is remove the Bobbin Winder Cam. We're going to actually replace 1, 2, 3, 4 gears, and we're going the dismantling is in this video. The replacement will be in another video. First thing we're going to do is loosen the Bobbin Winder Cam set screw and take it off. The next thing we're going to do is loosen the left-handed thread lifting nut that winds the bobbin. Then we're taking the lifting plunger. We're taking the lifting washer. The next item we're going to take is loosen the set screw in the horizontal or the vertical hook gear, which is this gear here. Take it off. Please note there's a flat part on the hook shaft that this set screw seats itself on. There's also a flat spot on the horizontal hook gear where it seats itself on for the set screw. The next process is to take the set screws loose in the timing belt pulley. There's a collar here. We've already taken this set screw loose. This is a horizontal collar to keep the end plate down to a minimum. The next thing we're going to do is loosen the set screw in the feed worm gear, I call it. Actually, we'll take that out. We're going to loosen the set screws in the feed ring gear. There's only one screw there. And lastly, we're going to loosen the set screws in the feed cam. 2 of them there. Please note that the feed ring gear has a nipple sticking out of it facing to the left. The feed cam has a line ground into it, which is the setting for the feed timing. The gear nipple and the feed line have to line up. That makes sure that the feed dogs feed the material when the needle is in the up position. You don't want the feed dogs feeding the material with the needle in the down position. Next thing we're going to do is get to this second set screw in this feed cam. Actually, it's loose already. The next process is going to be removing the horizontal shaft. To do that, we're going to set the machine on stretch stitch. It gets all this linkage out of the way for you. And it moves everything in the up direction so it's out of the way so we can slide the shaft out. You're going to need a little help. Sometimes. You don't want to scratch the shaft. We're pulling the shaft out, as you can see. We're keeping it nice and neat. We're not interfering with scratches on it. That's as far as you need to take it out because we got the ring gear or worm gear out and we got the horizontal gear out. The next thing we remove is the feed shaft to get the feed ring gear out. Bingo. And there you go. All your 4 gears are removed. We'll cover the installation in another video.